Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you a quick tutorial on how to change the product key in your Windows 10 computer. So, let's get started. First things first, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, search Settings in the search bar. And then from the results, navigate to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you will see multiple options. From these, head over to Update and Security. Once you are in this option, from there, you will see multiple options at the left side. From these, click on Activation. Once you are in the Activation option, here, you'll find the option to change the product key at the bottom. Simply click on it. Now, all you have to do is enter your new product key. You can either type it in manually or copy and paste it. Once you've entered the key, hit Next. I will not do this because my window is already upgraded. If you're upgrading from Windows Home to Windows Pro, you might encounter a warning message. No need to worry, just click on Start if you're sure about the upgrade. Now, this process may take a bit of time, so be patient. Once it's done, your computer will restart automatically. And voila! After the restart, if you go back to the activation page, you'll see your Windows Edition has been upgraded. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to change the product key or upgrade your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.